Let's catch up with the trend. As you know, Telegram and with the Ton ecosystem, there has been a bunch of airdrops that's been happening. And if you followed me, I showed the previous one for dogs and I got around 38,000 dogs. If you followed me, you might have easily made around like $30 to $40 of USDT, and like you can see, I sold it for $45 or so. It's free money. It was worth it. The hype was crazy. I didn't expect that to be launched on Binance, but yeah, I got it on Binance, and it was much easy for me to sell and make it as a USDT. So yeah, I got around 38,000 dogs, and that's what I have sold, and I got $45. And if you followed me, you would have definitely got the profit as well. So right now, I'm sorry, there is this trend that's going on Telegram, where a bunch of mini apps are coming up. The famous one right now after dogs is Blum. Do not miss this opportunity. Do join this airdrop. It's the TGE is expected this month, and yeah, complete all the tasks. As you can see, I have still some 23 tasks that's pending. I have to finish it up. I will do it, and but yeah, I will share the invite link. Please join in. Let's do it together and let's earn together. So basically that's it. And I don't know why this is coming up. Okay, let's go to the other project right now. The next one is Seed app. This is a really cool one that's come up. It's again a game thing. Again, they have you have to collect some storage gems or whatever it is, seeds, whatever you want to call it. They have mission. They have this what do you call, daily logins and a bunch of other options. But the project seems good. That's the reason I just thought I'll share this one. And it's yeah, it's getting a good response from the users as well, and that is the main reason for me to share this one. The next one is Sidekick. Yeah, this is the one. Do not miss this project because this is also invested by Binance. This looks more like a Tinder to me. About, I just see girls' pictures posting crazy stuff. But again, there was a season 1 ad drop that happened. Now it's season 2. All you need to do is complete those invite. You have this what do you call, rewards, where depending on the age of the account you get the points, and then if you participated in season 1 you would get some bonus. Invite 5 friends, you get 100,000 points. Invite your friends who are, just join them and complete this task. And they have tasks like what do you call, follow them, follow them on Telegram, Twitter, check their homepage. And I think you should check it because they are invested by Binance, and at the same time it's also what do you call, invested by Solana as well. And yeah, it's pretty good project. That's all I can say for now. But apart from that, there are a bunch of other projects. This is another one, Tomarket app. So this is, if you have already been farming this, you're pretty good. But if you haven't already, I think the snapshot is happening tomorrow, so you might be a little late for this one. But yeah, you just have very less time for farming this airdrop, so don't miss this one. Do it. If you have been doing it, just continue doing it. So that's about Tomato. And yeah, there are a bunch of other apps. X Empire is another one. It's again a tap to earn, like similar to Hamster Kombat, and you have to improve Elon Musk, basically his workplace, his personal things, office, and for mining and all these things. I haven't been actively been farming this one, but they have a huge user base, which is around 9 million users, which seems a pretty good number for me to, request this project. And yeah, you have this daily check-in in this one as well. And the other thing which I saw was about Airdrop. Let me show you that about Airdrop. So they have asked you to connect your wallet and do a transaction, which is around $3 or so. You might want to do it because you want to qualify for the airdrop. And the next one is Cats. Cats is again very similar to dogs. They are a competition of dogs, I guess. So do the task, complete whatever the request they have. They have this daily task. Hopefully, if you can do those things and invite your friends, join in. I have invited like 4 people. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter because at this point of time, there are a lot of projects that's coming up. If you want to join in, just join in and see what works for you guys. And yeah, I think if there is a SHIB, that is a Doge, like for the Doge there was a SHIB, like for the dogs there is cats now. And a couple of other projects which I want to quickly highlight is Dogs channel. This is one. Again, this is a little bit different compared to the other project. This has like its own launchpad system and stuff like that. You have to do this daily check-in here to get these what do you call ducks. I don't know if I said dogs. If I did, I'm sorry. So yeah, go ahead and do the daily check-in, complete the tasks and everything. Yeah, I haven't done again everything, but yeah, you can do it. It's very simple task. Join them, follow them, and follow them on Twitter and all these kind of things. Just click on follow. That's it. And you'll get the 2000 ducks. That's it. I'm just showing you guys anyway. So that's another project, and that is Catizen's Mandel. This is, again, as you know, it's been pre-listed on, it's been trading on pre-market trading on Bitget. So yeah, don't miss out on this one as well. This is pretty, it's again a game. You can't do much. You can just play these games and see how it works. But as you know, it's on pre-market on Mantle. It's on Mantle chain as well. So it's worth giving a try. It's definitely a good project again. And the next one is Time Farm. Time Farm, I have said this before on my previous video as well. This project has a huge funding. I believe it's around 75 million. I'm not sure. It's either 75 or 7.5. Okay, but it has a huge potential. They have basically time ticking up automatically. All you have to do is come here, do a daily check-in, connect your wallet, and you are eligible for the airdrop. Airdrop will happen for this project. And yeah, as you can see, I have invited like 6 friends who have joined in with my invite link. I'll share the invite link for this one. All you have to do is upgrade your time. So basically it starts from here, and it goes on to the last one. What I did, the best thing was I spent 1 ton to buy this farmer's assistant. This is a really good thing for me because I don't have to come in every 4 hours or every 8 hours for me to do the active farming. So the bot does that for me, which is a good thing. And because of that, I have made a significant amount of time token. Again, I'm not really sure what's the worth it's going to be, but I really hope it can go a good number. So this is another project. And the last one, hopefully I'm not over dumping you guys, but do invest your time, do look into it. Duckchain. This I recommend more than anything else. Why? Obviously, if you noticed when I opened the app, you should see that this is backed by a particle network. So if you know particle network, they have been doing a good job in terms of getting the hype they already need. And Duckchain is already a partner of particle network. I don't think you need any other reason for you to join this Duckchain. I tried using Duckchain on the particle network for the daily check-in and stuff. It works flawlessly. The transaction fees are so cheap, and just don't mess on this one. And you don't even have to do a lot of work on this. Again, it's a tap thing, but it's really weird because there are some tasks, if you do it, it goes minus. Your quacks go minus, but if you do certain tasks, you get plus for that. And yeah, that's how it is. But just focus on the quest, like the daily check-in and the Twitter interaction and stuff, and invite your friends. And I'll be sharing all the links for these videos, or for these what do you call, for these Telegram apps. And yeah, just don't miss out on these ones, and be a part of you know be a part of the trend that's happening right now, and make free money. That's all I can say. If you missed out on dogs, don't miss out on, I'll again repeat the important stuff: Sidekick, Seed, Duckchain, Catizens, and Time Farm. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about Hamster Kombat. I don't know if you're aware, the TGE and listing is on 26th September, which is 25 days from now. And if you have been actively farming this one, it's time right now. You work a little more harder, get your points as much as possible, and then you will get some reward. Although I should say the hype has gone down because they delayed it so much, and I think it's not a good thing, because when you have that hype, you have to push that again. It's the developer team's decision, whatever they do. I'm just here sharing the trend, whatever is happening. So if you're already farming Hamster Combat, it's only 25 days more for the listing. But yeah, if you think you have enough money, you can go ahead and sell it on pre-market. Again, I don't know how they are going to do it, based on points or based on tokens, how they are going to work this one out. But if you see on the pre-market, they already have just a minute, let me show that for you guys. Okay, pre-market, as you can see, you have Catizens as well as Hamster Combat. I have already participated in that, and as you can see, the pre-market price has gone significantly down, but Catty price volume has increased dramatically high. As you can see, the trading volume was also very high. People might be disappointed because of the delay that they have done in launching this project, but again, this is not a scam project. You will definitely, maybe you might not get as much as you got in dogs, but yeah, you do have an opportunity to farm this one as well. Sorry, that's my baby crying there. Anyways, have a good day, have fun, and hope this was a useful video for you guys. Thank you.